On the main stage, we're gonna make a trifle. We're gonna build it really. I'm not gonna go through the whole process of making the custard and stuff. And you can do it anyhow you want. A little bit of fun, building it up with the guys. Let's get on with it. Delicious. Okay, so we've got a nice trifle dish. Here's our first jelly. We're using a sour cherry, I think this is. Is it sour cherry? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Might be raspberry. So that's in. And then we've got 1 can of fruit cocktail. We're gonna get that in now. Just sort of mix it about a bit. And that's the first layer of our terrific trifle. We've got to let that jelly set now, or jello, whatever you call that. Might be a couple of hours. Okay, so that jelly's set, it was like a couple of hours. Gonna put another one in now, green colour. Jelly number 2. I think this is actually called mojito, which sounds a bit odd. And then I'm gonna go again with the fruit cocktail mix. And that goes, spread that around. And then again back into the refrigerator, probably gonna be another couple of hours. So next thing that's gonna go in is these little biscuits. Ladies' fingers. Got a bit of sort of sugar on the top, sort of thing you make for sort of a tiramisu or something. Now, if you don't have this, you can use any form of cake. You could get some, a slab of Madeira cake or something, chop that up and put it in, or a Swiss roll. I don't know if you know what a Swiss roll is, most people. It's kind of like either a chocolate or a vanilla cake with a kind of jam in it, which is rolled. So you get a nice kind of swirl in it. But yeah, some sort of form of cake, but I'm gonna be using these. So along with those biscuits, I'm gonna be using some custard. I've got some custard ready, made that. Get it from a can if you want, make it completely fresh if you want, or there's a powdered version sort of stuff you can get, but you're gonna need some custard. And regarding the biscuits, generally, or usually, they're soaked in some sort of alcohol, like sherry or something like that. I'm not gonna be doing that. Obviously the kid's gonna be eating this, and I don't need to avoid any alcohol. But yeah, that's the next step. So it's gonna be custard and the biscuits, beautiful. Okay, so we've got 2 layers now of the jelly with the fruit in. It's set. What I'm going to do now is I've got my custard here. I made this earlier, it's just nice and cold now. But some people put tons of custard in. In fact, you know what, you can put in whatever you want. You can layer it exactly however you want. What fruit is up to you. Thick custard, 2 layers of custard, more jelly, more cream, different cake. Okay. Now all I need to do is just try and smooth that out so it just covers everything. Back in a moment. Let's get now those biscuits or cake, whatever you want to use. Like I say, I'm using these ladies' fingers. Look like men's fingers if you ask me. That's great. And we can just break some bits in there, fill in those gaps. Okay, I'll be back in a moment, I'll just fill them in. So my biscuits are on top. Like I say, traditionally I think you'd put some sherry on it or something like, or some sort of liqueur. We're not going to do that. What we are going to do though, is right here I've got some frozen strawberries. I think the frozen ones actually work better than fresh because we get a nice bit of juice out of them. So I've just sort of defrosted these down. I'm going to pop these in. And then as they defrosted, I've got a bit of juice out of them, you know? So I'm just going to get that on there, and that's going to go right into our biscuits. That's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm going to pop that back in the fridge for a bit. Better think about getting some cream on there. Okay, so we've got red jelly or jello with fruit, green jelly with fruit, custard, the biscuits, and those frozen strawberries. And what's happened is those strawberries, that juice has made those biscuits really soft now. You just saw me do the cream. So we're gonna get the cream off, we're gonna top it with that. It took a lot of beating, the cream, but we got there in the end. Like that, so we put it on pretty randomly, you know? And then we're gonna put a few little sprinkles on the top of this and some fresh fruits. I've got some kiwi and some orange slices. This is looking amazing. You're so lucky. When I was a kid, we never had trifle like this. That is superb. Okay, next step. That's looking beautiful. They're called hundreds and thousands. Wanna get some on?
Yes.
Sprinkle over everywhere. I've got chocolate ones, actually. You want to put them on?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second. Let me do this one. Axel, have you made a whole trifle? Well done, man. Is it beautiful? Are you eating them?
Just some of them.
Okay, and there you go. There's our fantastic, beautiful, wonderful trifle. Hope you enjoy that. See you later. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.
Women and dan.